love you, Benji. Take this personal, but you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitystj, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig sent to me from BOBBI, and it's a BOBBI Boss First Class Hair in the BOBBI Boss First Class Hair collection. And yeah, it's the wig Herena, and that's the color, which is FHL 350/99J with the money piece highlights. And this is a super affordable wig. It was really easy to install. I did it in about
30 minutes, give or take.
Yeah, it was really easy to install. I didn't do any plucking, none of that. I really just put the cap on, the glue, pulled it down, cut the lace off, and just did the edges, which did not take long. That's what I like about these wigs, because they're quick to install, and the color is nice. And if I could find the retail price, I would put it in the store on the side so you guys can buy it if you want. But yeah, overall the color is nice. I didn't get too much shedding with this wig because I rubbed my fingers through it a lot. If you want you a nice proper color, you might as well go ahead and buy this, because I'm not even gonna lie, this color is really cute. I think this was the only color that I seen that caught my attention, because I seen somebody else with this on YouTube, and I was just like, let me go ahead and get that, because I need that color. But yeah, other than that, this wig is good. Not too much shit, and it takes heat really well. I had my flat iron and my hot comb on the highest setting just to go over this part so it can lay nicely. But overall, it's pretty good. I'm gonna cut in a small clip of me installing this wig, because I did make a reel, but I wasn't able to get it in the YouTube format. So yeah, you guys just enjoy a small clip of me installing, and I'll add in extra clips at the end.